Alright, so for an ingredient list, just to keep things simple, we've got 1 watermelon, 6 beets, 3 Honeycrisp apples, some ginger, lemon even though I didn't have any, and then feel free to use whatever else you want. The only reason I needed to do this whole mixing mambo jumbo is because when I was batch juicing, I didn't get like equal quantities of watermelon and beets in each batch. So some had a lot of watermelon, some had a lot of beets. And so just to make sure everything's mixed together and you get a little bit of everything, that's what I did. And yeah, note taken. We'll definitely, you know, evenly distribute things next time we do this. So that's going to do it for this watermelon beet juice. Again, the watermelon's hydrating, the beets promote blood flow. So this is good for, you know, first thing in the morning on your way to the gym. It's got an earthy taste, but it's also refreshing. So if you guys enjoyed, hope you guys try it out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.